Welcome to the project Multifunctional Power Electronic Interface for Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicles using IoT for data log. So in this project we are using ThingSpeak web page to log the data. So in this project we are using three sources. So this is solar panel and this is wind which is attached to the dynamo, and this is the self-charging dynamo. So in this project we are using dynamo, solar and wind, three sources to charge the battery. So these are charging circuit which we are giving input to the wind, solar and dynamo, and this charging circuit is used to charge the battery, and this is on off switch, and this is microcontroller which is connected to the voltage sensors along with these three sources. This voltage sensor for wind, and this voltage sensor for dynamo, and this voltage sensor for battery, and one more voltage sensor for battery, and this voltage sensor for solar, wind, dynamo and battery. By using these four voltage sensor we can measure the voltages of solar, wind, battery and dynamo. This vehicle consists of self-charging dynamo. While moving the vehicle we can charge the battery, and this is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module which upload the data into the ThingSpeak cloud along with date and time. So here we can see, we can touch the dot. So here we can see the voltage, dynamo voltage along with the date and time, and this ThingSpeak page consists of solar voltage and wind and dynamo and battery. So this vehicle consists of LCD display which display the voltages values on LCD. So now let us see the demonstration. And here we are using step down transformer. This is the additional source of the project which is used to charge the battery, which converts 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. The 12 volts AC we are giving input to the rectifier which converts 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. That pulse removed with the help of capacitor, and thus 12 volts DC being used to charge the battery. So let us see the demonstration. We should switch on the power supply. Here we can see the solar panel voltage and wind voltage, dynamo voltage and battery voltage. So here wind is constant, that's why we are getting 0 values, and vehicles also in stop condition, that's why we are using 0 values of dynamo voltage. So by using these switches we can operate the vehicle. So when I forward, backward, right and left, okay, by changing the supply polarities we can change the directions of the vehicle. So before on the kit we can hotspot connect our mobile hotspot 6850. So we should change the hotspot name project 6850 without space and without capital letters, and password should be 129. Okay, after here we can see AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So here we can see device is connected. So after connecting the device we can go to the ThingSpeak web page. So we should log in. So we should go to the ThingSpeak web page. So here we can see public view, and this is the private view. So click on private view. So we can get the project name, IoT hybrid vehicle, which consists of 3 charts. So next go to channel setting. So here we can see clear the channel, delete channel and save channel. So we should only clear the channel. So here we can see already I cleared the channel. So now here we can see live data is uploading into the ThinkSpeak. Here we can see solar voltage is 1.5 volts. Okay, so wind is 0. Why? Because it is in constant. Dynamo is 0 and vehicle is 12 volts 1 points. So if you want to download the data we can go to the data import and export and download. So here we can get the here we can see Excel sheet is downloaded. Thank you for watching demo.